So I was wondering if atheists are married, are they mahrams to each other? I want to invite my aunt over, but she's married, but they're atheists. So I was wondering this.
First of all, it is a very dangerous thing to jump into conclusion and to classify people as Muslims, atheists, hypocrites, in between. Having said that, we do not at all ignore the fact that there are apostates. There are people who have left the fold of Islam. But to jump the gun and to start labeling people without following the methodology of Ahlus Sunnati wal Jama'ah, which requires that the conditions of takfir are implemented and fulfilled, and the obstacles from preventing people from falling into kufr or being labeled as kafir is avoided. Once this happens, if your aunt is a full-fledged apostate, atheist, kafir, announcing it, denouncing Islam, says it without any shame or fear that she's not a Muslim, in this case, her and her husband, who's like her, they're kafir. And the marriage of kafirs are to them. To you, you should stay away from such people. Not to be concerned whether they're mahram to one another or not. Should we segregate between them or not? They're kafir. What do you care? So leave them alone. Don't invite them. Don't be with them in gatherings, and Allah knows best.